Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain the difference between IEnumerable of T and ICollection of T. So let's start. So the first difference is the IEnumerable of T is a read-only iteration, whereas ICollection of T is used for read and write collection management. IEnumerable of T does not support add or remove methods, whereas ICollection of T supports add and remove method. The next difference is IEnumerable of T does not have a count property, whereas ICollection of T has a count property. IEnumerable of T does not have is read-only property because by default this is a read-only collection, whereas ICollection of T has a read-only property. The IEnumerable of T don't have any modification methods, whereas ICollection of T has add, remove, and clear methods. The IEnumerable of T is a root for all generic collections, whereas the ICollection of T itself inherits from the IEnumerable of T. The IEnumerable of T has method called as getEnumerator, whereas ICollection of T has add, remove, clear, and contains method. IEnumerable of T requires a full iteration to determine the count of items, whereas ICollection of T itself has a count property which is readily available. IEnumerable of T don't have contains method, whereas ICollection of T has contain methods. IEnumerable of T does not support for copy to methods, whereas ICollection of T provides a support for copy to method. IEnumerable of T is immutable, whereas ICollection of T is mutable. The IEnumerable of T provides a read-only data access, for example, for each loop, using which we can iterate to the elements, whereas the ICollection of T is basically used for full connection manipulation, where we can iterate to the elements and we can also update the elements. So these are the basic difference between IEnumerable of T and ICollection of T. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.